Samsung has finally launched the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35. The latest mid-rangers from the company. Let's take a look at the A55 in this review. It will be available in 4 color options: ice blue, lemon, lilac, and navy. The Galaxy A55 uses Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front. The Galaxy A55 has a flat back panel and display, 3 individual circular camera cutouts, and an Infinity O display. It looks very similar to the Galaxy S24. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G feature a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is IP67 rated for dust and water resistance. It comes with an in-screen fingerprint sensor and dual stereo speakers. The device is powered by a new Exynos 1480 SoC with an AMD RDNA2-based Xclipse 530 GPU. You can have it paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. The phone boots One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. It is guaranteed to receive 4 generations of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. The handset features a triple camera system on the rear comprising an OIS-assisted 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide unit, and a 5-megapixel macro. On the front, it has a 32-megapixel shooter. Last but not least, the device is backed by a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 25W wired charging. The handset starts at $480 for the base 8GB plus 128GB memory configuration in Europe. It also comes in 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 256GB memory variants. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.